Hi, I'm Joyce, the Energy Lady, and I have a question for you. Do you brush your teeth every day? Do you get your car serviced when it needs an oil changed and tires rotated, things like that? If you answered yes to those questions, why? Why do you do that? Do you do that because somebody told you how to do that or taught you how to do that or said it was a good idea? Do you brush your teeth because you know you're going to kiss somebody or because you want to keep your teeth healthy? Those questions have to do with maintenance. And a little story, one of the things that when I've been to China quite a few times and teach over there at a university. And one of the things one of the things we did, we went to a village, a lot of villages actually, and taught people how to use dental floss because they'd never had it and used it before. They didn't know how to. And that was to teach them how to maintain their dental and oral health. And so basically my question for this is because if somebody has taught you how to maintain your teeth or how to maintain your car, because you're maintaining things, they last longer and your teeth are healthier and your car lasts longer and your car runs better. The same thing with energy. If you keep your energy field clean around you, you're going to be healthier. Your body is just going to be healthier. If you clean up these mental thoughts, which create a negative energy field going on if you got negative thinking going on, if you learn how to clean those up and learn how to clean your energy field, then you're going to be a healthier human being and a happier human being. And you're going to be more functional, just like your teeth are, just like your car is. So my question for you is, who's teaching you? If you don't know how to clean your energy field, if you don't know what to do with this negative thinking, who's teaching you how to do that? Well, I do. I teach you what to do with this negative thoughts. I teach you how to clean this energy field that's swirling around you. And in that, I teach a class. It's a 2-day class where I teach you how to clean your energy field and how to take care of mental thought patterns. So if that's something that you want to do, you want to start maintaining your body, your mental health better, then reach out to me, have a consultation. Let's see if the class is a good fit for you and it's something that could help you. I hope to hear from you. Have a great day.